Have you ever wanted to add a video to your Google Slides presentation but realized it wasn't on YouTube? Don't worry. There's a simple way to insert non-YouTube videos, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to Google Slides. Make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you'll be using for your presentation. This avoids any access issues later when sharing with others. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here you can see all your past presentations, but for today, let's start fresh. Click on the option to create a blank presentation. This gives you a clean canvas to design around your video. With your new slide open, look toward the top of your screen and click on Insert in the menu bar. From the drop-down, select Video. You'll notice a few choices for where your video can come from. Normally, YouTube is the first option, but since we're focusing on non-YouTube videos, choose Google Drive. Here's the important part. Make sure your video file is already uploaded to Google Drive. If it's not, just head to your Google Drive first, upload the video, and then return to this step. Once the video is in your drive, you can simply browse, select it, and click Insert. Now you'll see the video appear right on your slide. From here, you can drag it to the perfect spot or resize it by pulling the corners until it looks just right. Position it in a way that complements your other content, whether that's text, images, or charts, so the layout feels clean and professional. And that's it. By uploading your file to Google Drive and inserting it through the menu, you've successfully added a non-YouTube video into your Google Slides presentation. It's an easy way to make your slides more dynamic, engaging, and interactive for your audience. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a like and share it with others who might need the same solution. Now go ahead and make your next presentation stand out with videos that go beyond YouTube.